Welcome to Model 2 discussion of chapter number 4 of your computer book. The name of the chapter is Mail Merge and Other Features of MS Word 2013. In our previous lesson, that is Module 1, we had discussed about the spelling and grammar, the important feature of MS Word 2013. In this interactive video session of Module 2 discussion, we are going to discuss about another striking features of MS Word 2013, such as number 1, thesaurus, and second one is how to find and replace the word or text in MS Word 2013. Basically, today we are going to deal about two important questions, and we'll be trying to find the answer or a solution of that two questions, such as number 1, how to find the similar words for a given word. And we can easily answer these questions by giving the concept of thesaurus of MS Word 2013, and at the same time how to find any text or word in a given document. The answer can be written by using the command option of MS 2013 Word, that is the find command option. And the third question is how to replace the word or text in the given written documents. And in order to answer this question, we can easily answer this question by giving the concept of the using of replace command of MS Word 2013. These are the three basic questions of today's discussion. First, I would like to start from the concept of thesaurus. This is the important function, or we can say the tool or feature of MS Word 2013. In our previous lesson, we had discussed about the spelling or grammar. This feature of MS Word 2013, in order to opt this feature, we had to move the review tab, and in the proofing group we had that opting option of a spelling check and the grammatical check of any error. This feature of MS Word 2013 given in the review tab in the proofing group. Similarly, the another feature of MS Word 2013 is thesaurus. This is the thesaurus icon, and it can also be found in the review tab in the proofing group of MS Word 2013. This is the proofing group on the review tab. After opening the MS Word 2013, we have to just head for the review tab. That means the review tab should be clicked, and after clicking this, we have to go for, or we have to move to proofing group. This is the proofing group, and we have to then select this one, the thesaurus option or the feature of MS Word 2013. Before detailing the thesaurus, we have to know the meaning of thesaurus. What is the meaning of thesaurus? It is the tool or the feature of MS Word 2013 that provides a list of different synonymous words against or for a given word. I repeat, what is thesaurus? Thesaurus is a special tool or a specific feature of MS Word 2013 that provides a list of different synonymous words against or for a given word. And at the same time, this can be used to replace a word with one or more of its synonymous words. In a simple word, we can say thesaurus means the tool that can be used to find out the similar meaning of the given words. And we have to just keep one thing in our mind, that thesaurus, it is the important feature of MS Word 2013, and this can be found where answer is in the review tab, in which group? It is the proofing group. Here this icon is the thesaurus icon. Now the question is how to use this feature of MS Word 2013. The answer is we have to follow different steps in order to heading this thesaurus or opting this or excelling this thesaurus option of MS Word 2013. The steps are as follow. Number 1, first we have to click the review tab, or we have to heading for the review tab. This is the review tab. We have to click this one, this option of MS Word 2013, and after clicking this we will have such kind of interface of proofing group on the review tab. This is the proofing group. We have to see here, or heading, we have to be heading here. This is the spelling grammar option, but this one is the thesaurus icon. Clear? This one is the find, another searching option. This one is the second one, second icon is the thesaurus icon. The first step, we have to click the thesaurus. In order to opt the thesaurus, we have to click the first review tab. After clicking this, we have to be moving or heading in the proofing group as I mentioned earlier, and there we have to click the thesaurus option. This option, this icon we have to click. This is the, and it is present in the proofing group of the review tab. Now after finishing this second option, we will have such kind of thesaurus option in the proofing group. This is the proofing group, and this is the thesaurus option. Clear? After finishing this second step, the thesaurus task pane. This is the thesaurus task pane. This is the written document on the left hand side, and there is the thesaurus on the right hand side. I hope you can easily visualize this one. This is the thesaurus task pane. On the left hand side there is the written document, and on the right hand side there is the thesaurus option, this one. After finishing the second option, we will have such kind of thesaurus task pane in front of our eyes on the desktop screen. Now in this thesaurus task pane, on the right hand of the document, this is the document, it is on the right hand side of thesaurus task pane window, and on the this is the left hand side, the document, and on the right hand side there will be the option of thesaurus of this thesaurus task pane window. And this thesaurus task pane will have a list of synonymous words for the selected words. Let's say the thesaurus word in the documents here, it is highlighted, is consisted. This is the searchable word in the thesaurus. This is a thesaurus search box. The word is consisted. Our intention is to find out the different other synonymous words of the word consisted, and there are different similar words with similar meaning of the word consisted are given, such as contained, entailed, involved, comprised, be made of, be made up of, etc. related. These are the synonymous word given against the word, searchable word, the consisted. In the fourth step, in order to use one of the words in the list of the results, or in case of searching for more words, we have to choose any options considering these two. Number 1, in order to use one of the words, we have to select any word of the given results words, and we have to pause over the word by placing the mouse cursor and then click the drop down arrow, and finally then we have to click to insert or copy that word in the document, written document. Or we can also opt another option in order to look up additional related words, and to do so we have to click that word in the list of results, this one. These are the four steps which are involved in the feature or the tool of Thesaurus. And using this tool or feature of MS Word 2013 Thesaurus, we can easily find any synonymous words for a given word by following these four steps. Number one, first we have to go for the review tab. Under the review tab, we have to be heading for the proofing group. In the proofing group, we can opt for Thesaurus option, and after clicking the Thesaurus option, the Thesaurus task pane will be appeared in front of our eyes on the screen of the desktop. And in this tab, in this task pane of the Thesaurus, the written documents will be on the left hand side and the Thesaurus option will be on the right hand side. And considering the Thesaurus option, any word that we are intending for search of different synonymous word must be written in the search text box of the Thesaurus, and after doing that, the different synonymous word will be appeared in the below of the Thesaurus, and from or among these different synonymous words we can easily choose any words, or we can easily look up additional related words against the given searchable words. The providable example here given is the consistent. This is a desirable word, and the given synonymous word against the consistent are such as contained, entailed, involved, etc. Now we may choose any words as a synonymous word against the consistent word. This is how we can use the feature of MS Word 2013, the Thesaurus option or the tool, for finding out the different synonymous word against the given word. Now another feature is how to find or replace any word in the given document. In order to answer this type of questions, we have to have the knowledge or concept of using the find command and the replace command of the MS Word. And these two kinds of different commands, such as find commands and the replace command, can be opted by using the home tab in the editing group. I repeat, we have to first move for home tab of the MS Word 2013, and after clicking this home tab, we have to move or head for the editing group. This is the editing group where we will have the two different commands. Number one, find commands, and second one is the replace command. And by seeing or by using these two commands, find commands and the replace command, we can frame two different questions. First question is how to find the word or text in the given documents, or another question is how to replace the word in the given documents. First, we will try to understand how to answer against the question how to find the word in the given documents. In order to solve this question of how to find the word in the given documents, we have to be heading for the finding command of the MS Word 2013. And in order to do so, we have to first click the home tab of the MS Word 2013, and thereafter we have to be heading for the editing group in order to opt the option of find command to answer or to meet the question of how to find the text or the word in the given documents. In short, we can say for a given or written document, we can easily find or we can easily replace any word or text by opting the two different commands of the MS Word. These are also known as the different features of the MS Word. For opting the find command or for opting the find features, we can easily find any word or text in the given documents. And similarly, we can also, by using the replace command or the replace feature of the MS Word, we can easily replace any words by providing different words. First, we will try to understand how to find the word or text in the provided or in the given documents of the MS Word 2013. This is the written documents in the MS Word 2013. And now the question is how to find the text or the word in the given documents. In order to answer this, we have to follow different steps. Number one, first we have to go for the home tab. This is the home tab of the MS Word 2013, and in order to do so, we have to click this home tab, and after clicking, we will see such kind of interface known as the navigation pane with the search text box. And there is the editing group. After clicking the home tab, we have to move for the editing group, and in this editing group we will see there are different options such as find, replace and select. We have to opt this find command by clicking. And in the third option or third step, the navigation pane appears on the left side of the screen. This is the navigation pane with the search text box. This is the navigation pane. It is the STB, search text box. And such kind of navigation pane with the search text box will be open after clicking the find command present in the editing group. And it will appear on the left hand side of the screen. On the right hand side there will be the written documents, and on the left hand side there will be the pane navigation pane with the search text box. Now in the fourth step, in this search text box or the STB, we have to now type the word or the text that we want to search for against the written document of the MS Word 2013. And after typing the word or the text in the STB of the navigation pane, if it is found, the condition is if it is found, then it will be highlighted in yellow color. This is the word or the text. It was written in the navigation pane in the STB search text box of the navigation pane, and if it is found in the written documents of the MS Word, then it will be highlighted in the yellow color. This is the indication of the found result or against the given or the written text of the word. And after highlighting in yellow color, there will be the preview of search results and will be appeared in the navigation pane as I shown before. In the sixth step, when an instance is selected, let's say this one, was, this is the instance or any example. Suppose when it was selected, it would be appeared in the gray color. Selected results always will be highlighted in gray color, but the found word will be highlighted in the yellow color. And after seeing the highlighted gray color, we can use the arrow keys to move through the results at one at a time. These are the arrow keys. There are two arrow keys, down and up. We can use this kind of arrow clicks by clicking the arrow keys to move, or in order to move through the results one at a time. And we may also select the preview option to jump directly to the location of the specific result in the document. This is the preview, and we may select directly the preview of the result in order to jump directly to the location of the result. This one. And finally, after completion of all these 6 different types of steps, we may now close this navigation pane by just clicking this cross sign. This is how, by following these 6 different steps, we can easily find any word or the text in the given documents. Now the second question: how to replace the text or the word for a given or written text in MS Word 2013. The procedure is same. First, we have the involved steps are: first we have to head for the home tab, and in the editing group of the home tab we have to click the replace option. In this is the similar process. First we have to click the home tab, and after clicking this we have to move for the editing group, and there is the second command. This is the replace command. We have to opt this replace command in order to replace any word. Before heading for the different steps involved in replacing the text, we must have the concept of replacing text, such as we can use the both commands. Mind it, we can use the both commands, find commands, as well as at the same time the replace commands, that can be combinedly used in order to find a particular word or the text for a given document, and at the same time it can also be replaced with the another word or the text. Now there are different steps which are involved in the case of replacing the text in the MS Word 2013. Now what are the steps? First, we have to click the home tab, and in the editing group we have to click the replace option. And after following this second step, or after clicking the replace option or command, this kind of task pane known as find and replace dialog box. This find and replace dialog box with the replace tab selected will be open in front of our eyes on the desktop screen. And there are different options such as find word box, replace with box. There is the more option. There is the replace option, replace all, find text, cancel. This is the find and replace box. There is the find, replace, and the go to option. Clear? This is known as the find and replace box. After clicking the replace command of the MS Word of the home tab, such kind of find and replace dialog box will be displayed along with the replace find and replace tab. Now we have to select this replace tab because our intention is to replace by using the replace text. Clear? Now in the find word box, this is the find word box, we have to type the word or the text that we want to search for. Suppose the word is here was. This is the word that we want to search for, and this word is written in the find word box. This is the fourth step. In the fifth step, this is the replace with box. In this replace with box, we have to type the word or the text with which we want to replace the word or the text type in the find word box. Suppose was, this is the word written in the find word box, and is, this is the word that is written in the replace with box. Now we want to replace the word was with the word is. That's why is, the word or the text is to be written in the replace with box, and the word was is to be written in the find word box. And finally we have to click the find next option of this find and replace dialog box. And after clicking the find next option, if the condition is if the words are available typed in the find word box, it will be highlighted in the gray color. It will be highlighted in the gray. This is the gray color, not in the yellow color. But maintaining the condition that if these words or this word is available or are available. Then we can choose any option from this following. For the sixth step, first one is either we can click the find next box. The intention is to skip the current occurrence of the word or the text without replacing it with that of the replace with box, or we can also opt for replace button. This is the replace button, and after clicking this replace button, the main intention is to replace the word or the text with that of the replace with box, or we may also opt the replace all button option by clicking this one, and main intention is to replace all occurrence of the words or the text in the find word box with that of the replace with box. These are the three different ways we can choose any way in order to complete the step 6, and this is the final step of replacing the text. This is how we can easily replace by following the different 6 steps of the replacing command in order to replace any word which are given in the written documents. And finally there will be a message box appears along with the option OK. This is the message box. There is the written statement, and it says we are finished searching the documents. Now if we are satisfied with the search results of replacing the text, we have to then click OK, and after following this OK option, the task will be automatically done. And finally we may close this find and replace dialog box by choosing this cross option. And if we are not satisfied with the finding results of the replacing text, then we may consider for the repetition of the step 6 till the occurrence of the word or the text in the find word box. Now this is the practice question for yourself. You can practice in your home, in your desktop or the laptop. The question is, this is the written document, and instruction is you have to find the word color following this document, and you have to replace this word color with the word color. Second instruction is you have to use the thesaurus tool for the word large, and you have to replace this with another similar word meaning. And the last instruction is you have to check the spelling and the grammar command for these written documents. I hope you can easily answer this question by following the 3 different features of MS Word, such as finding of command, replacing command, thesaurus command, and the spelling and the grammar feature of the MS Word. In our next video, we will discuss about the mail merge of this chapter. Till then, thanks for watching. We'll be meeting in the next video.